Welcome to Dynamic Insights, our short yet impactful thoughts designed to help you view investing differently. The S&P 500 just crossed 7,000. So should you celebrate or should you be asking what's actually holding it up? Let's break it down. Yes, round numbers feel good. They make for great headlines. But milestones like 7,000 are emotional anchors, not structural indicators. The real question isn't where the market is, it's why it's there and what's keeping it elevated. Right now, three forces are doing the heavy lifting. First, the Federal Reserve. Everyone's focused on whether the Fed cuts rates in March. But the bigger story is the nomination of Kevin Warsh and the philosophical shift he represents. Warsh is signaling a move toward a supply-side, productivity-focused Fed, one that believes AI-driven efficiency gains could allow the economy to grow faster without triggering inflation. If that view takes hold, the so-called neutral rate is likely higher than the market expects. Translation: the Fed isn't coming to the rescue anytime soon, and in a low-hire, low-fire labor market with unemployment at 4.4%, it doesn't need to. Second, the fiscal side. The One Big Beautiful Bill Act is putting roughly $100 billion in additional tax refunds directly into household bank accounts this filing season. That's a massive liquidity injection into the consumer's pocket. We expect this to support spending in the short term, potentially offsetting tariff-driven price increases. But here's what we're watching closely. Is that money being spent or saved? The answer will shape the inflation outlook for the rest of the year. Third, the Supreme Court is about to weigh in on the administration's use of emergency powers to impose tariffs. If the court rules in favor, it essentially gives a permanent green light for trade policy as a geostrategic tool. That's a layer of policy volatility that markets are not pricing in. We're already seeing investors rotate toward domestic-focused companies, away from complex cross-border supply chains. In a world of fragmented trade, security of supply is becoming just as important as cost of goods sold. So, S&P 500 at 7,000, milestone or mirage? The number doesn't matter. What matters is the Fed transition, the fiscal impulse, and the legal battle over trade policy. When emotion says celebrate, logic says look deeper. That's how we navigate the week ahead. To access additional information, visit dynamicwg.com or email us at info@dynamicwg.com. Remember to like and subscribe so you stay up to date with future insights. Until next time, take care everyone, and make smart, logical, and fact-based financial decisions.